video which I will explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and experience on the hotel. So basically on the same hotel location, and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Navigation on the hotel is one category of room